Hi guys! We are getting closer and closer to Halloween, and today I have a one bowl super delicious chocolate donut recipe for you. So you heard it right, everything is done in one bowl. It's a super simple recipe. It tastes so chocolatey, so delicious, and I have a fun idea for you how to decorate these for Halloween. So let's get started. This is a one bowl recipe, so I've prepared all of the things that I need for me here, so I can just easily add them in after one another. So we are going to start with the wet ingredients. For that I have my kefir here. You could also use buttermilk. Then I also have my melted and cooled butter, 2 eggs, brown sugar. Then I've combined all my dry ingredients here, so the all-purpose flour, the unsweetened cacao, and the baking powder. And I have some extra, so some chocolate chips and some caramel chunks. We are going to start with the wet ingredients, so we are going to combine them in the separate jug. So I'm just gonna add in my butter, and then just shortly mix it in. Then you also want to add in the eggs. And then you also shortly want to mix in the eggs just to break the structure and combine everything. And then we are going to continue with the dry ingredients. So I have a medium bowl and I'm going to add in everything in there. Just a short whisk with a fork. Then add in the brown sugar. Also just a short whisk with a fork. And then you want to add in the wet ingredients and just mix it all in with a spatula. So here you can whisk as you wish, so don't have to worry about ruining the batter. So just whisk very well until everything is combined. So then once your batter is looking like this, it's nice and smooth and everything is combined, you can add in the chocolate chips and just shortly fold them in. Then also adding the caramel chunks, folding them in. And then I'm gonna butter my donut pan and also transfer the batter into a piping bag for easier piping into the donut pan. And then you just want to pipe the donuts or fill the donuts into your baking pan. And then you want to bake the donuts as instructed in the recipe. I've prepared a chocolate ganache with which I'm going to glaze my donuts. I'm not gonna share the recipe here again because I have a tutorial for that, so I will just link it for you so you can have a look. Also, I have some more caramel chunks here and also fitting for Halloween. I have these big candy eyes that I'm also gonna use for decoration. So you can use something similar, or you can use something that you can find. And then you just want to dip your completely cool donuts into the chocolate glaze or the chocolate ganache. So it's a really easy to make recipe. Everything happens in one bowl. All that you need is some donut pans, and then you can decorate these as you wish. I did glaze mine with chocolate ganache, for which I'm gonna link the recipe for you here. But you can use any other glaze that you prefer as well. And also the decoration is a suggestion, so you can also decorate them some other way if you want. I know we really enjoyed these because they were all almost gone. They're so chocolatey, so really something that I absolutely love. And if you also like this recipe and if you also enjoyed this video, then don't forget that thumbs up for support. And also, if you're new to my channel and you want to stay updated to my new recipes and some Halloween tutorials, then you can subscribe right now, and if you tap the bell you will get a notification whenever a new video is up. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.